Thank you, President Ford. This is an exciting day. We are so uh, thankful for our companies for being here, taking time out of busy schedules to come and help us recognize our students. We are appreciative of parents and family members and friends being here as well. We're super proud of our students. This is a competitive program. This program has been in existence for 8 years now, and it's gotten more and more competitive every year. Not every student is selected. So students, be proud of yourselves and this wonderful opportunity that's being placed before you. And parents, I hope you're proud as well. We want to take time to recognize each student, each company, and students, if you'll come forward as I call your names, multiple students at companies, if you'll all come together at once, we'll do one at a time and then a group photo. And as you come forward, we'll sign at the table and then take a photo. So the 2025 Tiger Apprenticeship plaques. We would like to recognize our partnership with UA Trucks. UA has also been a partnering company for many years in our program, and they hire from multiple programs as well. First, we would like to recognize Kyla Goodlow. He is in the Heating and Air Conditioning Technology program. He is at Iuka, Mississippi. He's a first-year student in that program, and he has been hired as a maintenance apprentice at UA. Next, we would like to recognize Tyler Stevenson. He is a first-year student in the Industrial Maintenance Technology program from Corinth, Mississippi, hired as a maintenance apprentice at UA Cross. Thank you. Right. Next, we would like to recognize Barry Worley. She's in our Administrative Office Systems Technology program. She's from Boonville, and she's been hired to work at UA Trucks as an HR assistant. It's a wonderful opportunity for America. Friendly, proud for her. And thanking UA Trucks for the continued partnership. Let's get a group and pack over the all it out, please. I work hard. You see it? You do pretty good business. I already left it. But thank you very much. I'd like to point out that this is a wonderful partnership we have with Accelerate Mississippi, providing the funding for this program. Also with Free Rivers Planning and Development District, they help us with this program as well. We couldn't do the program without Accelerate and Free Rivers helping us along the way. It's a great opportunity. Again, we're in our 8th year. We're just super proud of our students. We're especially thankful for our companies for investing in Northeast, our programs, and our students.